Librarians help people find the books or information they need for business, academic, or leisure purposes. Librarians must be familiar with today's sophisticated research and information sources and still be able to help a young reader find a new picture book. They must possess first-hand knowledge of all the materials in the library, from catalogs and periodicals to reference books, bestsellers, and literary classics. Librarians classify and prepare new materials for circulation and research and coordinate storytelling sessions, literacy classes, and book talks.
When it is essential to have an exact legal record of what people said, the services of court reporters are needed. They are trained to quickly create a record of testimony, speeches, conversations, legal proceedings, and other events. In courtrooms, the court reporter makes the only legal record of events. Court reporters usually complete a 2- or 4-year training program at a post-secondary technical school or community college. Court reporters must have excellent listening skills, as well as good English, grammar, and punctuation skills. Excellent hearing is a must.
Many people with a passion for music become recording artists without ever singing or playing a note. They are sound engineering technicians. And in addition to the music industry, these experts in recording and processing audio find work in the broadcast, motion picture, and cable fields as well. At a radio or TV station, the sound technician might run the controls for a live program in the studio, or to tape a commercial. He or she might set up the equipment for transmitting reports from the field. In the recording studio, sound engineering technicians are responsible for obtaining a clean recording of a performance. It's a blend of art and science. Few careers leave so little room for error as that of an explosives worker. This is a job with conditions that are not only challenging, but often dangerous. Explosives workers, ordnance handling experts, and blasters prepare and detonate explosives to move large amounts of earth or rock, or to demolish structures such as buildings. They're involved in every step of the blasting process, starting with a careful evaluation of the job and the materials needed to do it safely and effectively. One missed detail in the process can be a deadly mistake. Precision and excruciating attention to detail are vital job requirements, but the end result is always exciting.